Hello guys, we're back with another video, but today we're going to play Truck Trail 2.5. It's a pretty fun game. You can do off-road free play and a bunch of other stuff. Like you hear in the background, you hear a truck. I just got done watching a video. I'm really into dragon, so I just watched a dragon video real quick. And there's some proof that if you go out, you can see that I got a picture from the video. Hopefully, you guys don't judge me. Let's get rid of these real quick, guys. See, that works out, see? So today, okay. My voice is like pretty late. Let me check what time it is. It's like about 10:08 p.m. No, 10:08 p.m. 10:08 a.m. Okay, so guys, this is my truck right now. Let's go into play. Let's just free roam first. Mud pit, that's the one I want the most right there. But I don't need to buy them, guys. I just need to get enough upgrades so I can just get it. Angry, so yeah, this one's awesome. This one I just got run like an idiot. So guys, I know I don't have comments on. I just noticed that, and what in the heck just happened? Let's try to redo that, but not in a harmful way. Let's just say the dragons that I just watched are pretty cute together. They're a pretty good couple. Quick little bump. There we go, that's good, right? So now let's take a little turn. Okay, this is toward the cone. Try to dodge this cone right here. Yeet. Oh wee. Oh wee. Let's make a quick run right into the corner of the barn. Like I'm gonna nick myself right on this thing. There we go. I broke my whole bumper and broke my side. So now let's hit this rock right here. Why not reset? Well, I'm trying to get my truck more destroyed. Okay, so I see that little bump right there. I'm gonna nick it off real quick. Hit it off. That did not work. I need to hit it off with something. Use this cone, maybe. Do you want to do side things? Like this pole right here. Let's use this. That's not working. Oh, dang, I'm on fire. That works out. Let's play goal. The point of this game is where you're supposed to just hit this ball as hard as you can. No, dang, I gotta hit it back. Goal, made one. Well, now let's go to garage. Gotta play. Let's go to endless trails. Okay, guys, let's hit it. It's high-centered by the most tiniest bush. Oh, there's a rock in the corner. Oh, I can move rocks. Oh, ow. I'm a little stuck now. Yeah, so I said on that one. You should not see my best smile. The smile that I've made in this truck. This cactus is getting a little annoying. Now it's time to go full throttle, boys. Yeah, reset. Every time you reset, it does a new one. This is fun. So far, we did this full throttle up for this whole thing. Yeet. Dodge that bush. Oh, skim the bush. Let's hit this ramp, boys. Yeet. Pretty good. Wow. I think I did it. It's a lot of damage. Let me try. Ooh, we got this game I might be getting. It's kind of fun. See, it's like you're stabbing them to the wall. No. Play like. Yeah, I'm going to beat my record in this game. I will beat my record of this trail game. And like for more of this game too. The video might end early before I do this. So if it doesn't end early without me telling you guys or warning you guys, just know that I just cut it off early without telling anybody. I'm randomly just cut it off. That was an easy rollover. That's an easy quick yeet in the air. Fully. Dang it. No, dang it. Wait, I want to do a yah yeet right here. Yah yeet. Yah yeet. Do a yah yeet right here. Yah yeet. Oh. That was painful for my trip experience. Oh, there were cactus on top of me. Sweet. Oh, come on, I was so close. I'm 5 away from that. I'm 500 away from that. Here I go, brothers, back from the sky. this many miles right now. Oh, slowing down a little bit. That wasn't that hard. It took me a while, so it kind of was hard. Oh, ouch. Try to go around it, like right here. Just get over this real quick. No. Oh no, near where I live. See, that's like where I gotta get past. Like maybe get to 1,000 meters. Hit some jumps, boys. Let's go faster, my boys. Oh. I lost my bumper. Not that bad. Oh, I got a better solution. Come on, dang it.
What are you doing, baby? What are you driving?
Dang it, guys. Let's just go to the garage real quick. Don't got enough for exploring, guys. I could end this trail. Get some more money by driving. Yeah, you get like basically more money by driving. You make it farther. The how far you make it is like not amount of money you get. It's a sometimes you get a crazy amount of money how far you make it. There we go. See, 937 miles. So I need to maybe make it like 934 miles. Yeah, I'm gonna pass my miles today, guys. In this video, I might pass my miles. Maybe not. Oh yeah, if you want to see like a lot of these, don't forget to subscribe. Because like half of you people that watch my videos don't subscribe. It kind of hurts that you guys don't subscribe when I'm trying to help me out here. So if I did get that Diamond Gold play button, that would be very exciting. Because we've never had something that valuable before. We don't even have enough money to afford my diamond play button. Okay, guys, we're getting close to it right now. Eh, dang it. We're a little bit close. Sleep well. me try. Ooh, this is a better map. Let's yeet right over these rocks. Yeet! No, that wasn't really the yeet I was looking for. This might be the yeet I'm looking for right here, these rocks. Yeet! Yep, it was. What about this little rock right here? Yeet! Yep, it was. This guy would have been a big jump if I was going full speed. Yeet! Okay, guys, let's try to avoid most of the obstacles as possible. I'll try to get head centered on these rocks here. Let's go a little slow right here. Yeet, yeet, and delete. Yeet, yeet, delete. Yeet, yeet, delete. Ouch. That did not work out. Let's go around the corner like right here. Ouch. When you say you're taking a shortcut home, what happens out when you get home? All your dad sees of his truck is this. At least we have to make it to 900. We don't have to beat our score. We at least have to make it to 900 in this video. Or maybe not. At least make it to 89. At least make it maybe to 80. 80,000. 80,000, not 80,000. 80,000. Ouch. That damaged my truck a little bit. Hey, look, I got rid of my bumper. That's actually a good thing. And this one, you need to get rid of like your bumper. And maybe I might need more expansion. Yeet. The full yeet. Do yeet. I don't know, we got these bumpy bumps. Let's make a little full yeet in the air right here. Full yeet. That's definitely full yeet. Full yeet. Ouch. Let's try to go around, maybe. There we go. Wait, I see a little rock. Can you put my wheel up on? Yeah, there we go. That's what I was looking for. My truck is smoking. That's not good. Yo, guys, we beat our score. But let's see how far we can get more. We got some rocks to go over. Oh, no. Well, guys, that will be the end of this video. See you in the next one. Bye.